Alright, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you can tell, my lips are very crusty right now. They are not popping. They are not juicy. So today I'm really just here to do a lip tutorial, not a whole face. I've had a couple people ask me personally and on my Instagram how I get my ombre type of, burgundy type of, vampy type of lip for this kind of hair or just in general. So I was like, why not do a video? So first you want to make sure your lips are moisturized. Mine are not right now, but before I put on any type of liquid lipstick or do any kind of lip, I have on some Vaseline or something to moisturize my lips. So you don't have to use Vaseline, but everything else really kind of like breaks me out. So I can't use chapstick. I hate Carmex. Like, the only thing I've been using for years is Vaseline. And I just smooth that all over my lips. You also want to make sure your lips are not cracking, that they're exfoliated before you put on your product. Normally I let this sit on my lips while I do my whole face, but I didn't do that today, obviously, because I wanted to show you guys what I was doing. So it's enough to smooth it in and just kind of let it marinate, but you don't have to leave it on there too long. Then I take the back of my hand and I kind of blot off the extra, but I'm not taking it all off because we need it. So I'm going to be going in with this lip pencil in Burgundy. It's by Ruby Kisses, and it's their Ultra Easy Lip Liner. Okay, nothing fancy. I refuse to pay like too much money for a lip liner. My spirit just won't allow me to do it, y'all. I'm cheap. So these work great. They're like 99 cents from the beauty supply, and it comes with a sharpener, which is what I'm doing right now. So the sharpener that comes with it is really bomb. It works perfectly with the pencil. Look at that. It was so dull, and now it's so sharp, and y'all don't stop sleeping on the beauty supply. But I am going to break the tip off because I knew it would have broken on my lips anyway. So then, using the moisture that came from the product you used, you just want to start applying your lip liner. And any burgundy, like I said, will work, but if you're on a budget like me, you can use this. Okay, so I just lined my lips with a burgundy pencil, and then I went in the inner corners as well. And I do the zhuzh. That's what I call it, the zhuzh. And you kind of just smoosh your lips together so that the product spreads, and the moisture on our lips is helping that liner spread. So sometimes if you have a dry liner and you're like, it's not as creamy as it used to be, or it just won't like glide the way I need it to, put a little moisture on your lips. So then I'm going in with the liquid Catsuit, Megalast liquid Catsuit matte lipstick by Wet n Wild, and this is in the color Video Vixen. Okay, so it's just this burgundy, dark, vampy type of situation. Okay, now you could stop here if you maybe weren't wearing this dark of hair, or this is just as good as you wanted to get. That's cool. But for me, I'm finna darken it up a little bit. I'm using the same pencil, the same Ruby Kisses, but this is an eyeliner. This is in Intense Black, same situation. Sharpener on the end is the exact same pencil and just a different color. So while that's still kind of tacky, not too dry, I go around the edges lightly first, and then I fill in. So this gives the darkness that you want. This is when the layering comes in. So that's why I only put on one layer the first time, because I knew I was gonna have to go back. So you don't wanna put on layer upon layer upon layer on site, because you're gonna have to go back and blend it out. So just start with one layer, let it kind of dry, and then we're gonna go in with another one. I'm taking that same color and I'm going back over my lips, running into that black. So at this point, you can take a little brush and fuse everything together. This is just a really fluffy or small fluffy eyeshadow brush that I picked up out of nowhere. Then you just kind of let it dry, and that's pretty much it. When you're trying to clean it up, because dark lips can get messy, I just take some of my black opal powder. It's the powder I use all the time on my face. It is like honestly my perfect skin tone, and I just take that, put it on my damp sponge, and I go around. Just helps to define and clean it up. And at this point, if you want to go back in with one of the pencils, because they are so creamy, it'll work and just kind of get the missing spots. And there you have it, a perfect vampy look to go with your 99J, your burgundy, your auburn hair, or just for the fall, or anytime you want to wear it. Hell, it's a great lip combo that can go with a lot of different stuff. So I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Trice, and this is andthatisTrice, of course, if you are new. And if not, thank you so much for returning. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of my space. I want you in my area. I will have all of the products I use down in the description bar per the usual, so you can buy them. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video, but until then, bye y'all.